What's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, I gotta apologize. It is super windy. It's actually a high wind advisory. It's like 20-30 mile per hour winds with occasional 50 mile per hour gusts. So there's nothing I can do about that. It's high wind. Ain't no drone flying today at all. So I went and got this bad boy out. This is a Yoncher YC400, also known as the Flyhal FC610 if you was to get it from Banggood. But if you get it from Amazon, it's the Yoncher YC400, guys. It's a 110 scale. Well, they say 110 scale. It's more of a larger 112 scale. But it's branded as a 110 scale four-wheel drive monster truck. And they usually sell this thing right about $100. I know it's a lot of wind, guys. I apologize for that. But they usually sell this guy right about $100. Sometimes you catch it with a coupon, get it on sale. And I think it's a good buy. With Christmas time coming, we're going to get this bad boy going. 550 brush motor. And it comes with two S-LiPos, I think. Yeah, two S-LiPos. It's windier as heck out here, guys. Two S-LiPos. And it's not the quickest thing, but I think it's excellent for beginners. And it does come with LEDs. You see I don't have my LEDs on. I actually busted one of the ones in the bumper, so I just unplugged it. And then the LEDs that are the loop lights, those went out. Woo, look at the basketball court. That basketball court is ball. I'm going to do that. Got sticks and stuff flying everywhere. So with this 550 brush motor, it goes about 17, 18 miles per hour. Like I said, it's not the fastest thing. But for beginners, it's good enough. Depending on how windy this video is, I might have to put sound on it, guys. You might not hear me talking much because I might have to go ahead and put some background music to it. Like I said, with Christmas coming, I think it's a good budget option. I don't want to spend a lot of money. Still be able to have some fun. Wet, so I'm not getting the best traction that I would get typically if it was dry out here. Kind of sliding some of the wet in the ocean, like I'm in the ocean. See how that bad boy goes. That's pretty good. 50 mile per hour gust, guys. It goes pretty good for brush, so that actually does go pretty good for brush. a lot of leaves and pastures now. Alright guys, I apologize for that. Run got cut short. As you can see, it's super duper windy anyways. It's probably a lot of high wind noise. I probably have to put some to cut out that wind. But yeah, it's pretty windy. Had to cut the run short, and plus my camera died in the middle of the run, so boys on the dogs. I will leave a link below for this bad boy. This is Yoncher YC400 / FC610. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you got next episode, I'm out. Deuces.